The RAY5 Laser Engraver impresses with its high-power dual-beam technology, allowing it to achieve rapid engraving speeds while cutting through thick materials with ease. Equipped with a robust 32-bit core motherboard, this engraver ensures stable and smooth performance, providing multiple data transfer options for flexible use. Safety is a priority with the RAY5, featuring protective glasses, thermal protection, and an emergency stop device, all ensuring safe operation during use. The high-resolution LightBurn camera integrated into the RAY5 offers precise laser engraving with ultra-accurate positioning, enhancing the quality of finished projects. Its adjustable air pump effectively minimizes smoke and dust, ensuring cleaner cuts and preventing laser energy loss, while maintaining a low noise level similar to a household fan. The RAY5 Laser Engraver is straightforward to assemble, with comprehensive guides and tools included, backed by professional support and customer service for any inquiries.